So it's time to cook some deviled eggs. First we got to get a pot with water and put it on the heat. Bring it up to boil, and as soon as it's boiling, like that, we turn the heat down. And as soon as those bubbles stop, that's when it's time to add your eggs. And we're just going to use a skimmer here to put these eggs in here. Oh no! Even that's going to break them. Alright, let me try to do this more careful this time. Alright. Now, we've got all of them in there, and oh man, 2 of them look like they've already cracked. They must have got like a joke told to them because they got all cracked up. Anyway, we're going to set the timer for 14 minutes. Alright, let's see here. And while we're waiting on them to boil, we're going to test some different ways of peeling eggs. So let's start with this method, which is basically you're going to crack it on its side and roll it like this. And you're just going to do this very gently because you're wanting these eggs to still look really, really good for everybody. Now look at that. Just wash that off and it looks good. Now another method that people talk about is peeling them underwater. So why can't you tease egg whites? Because they can't take a yolk. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to crack it on its side and then just start. Guys, I was too hard. You see right there, I was way too hard. Don't do it that hard. Now, we're going to take this, put it underwater. Let's see what we got here. And my fingers are cold because this was the ice bath water. Oh. If you're going to do this, don't use the ice bath water. Okay, well, I got a little spot there that really peeled fast. So it does work. Now, because we lost one earlier, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to salvage it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the part that broke. And it actually broke vertically, not horizontally like we would normally cut it. But what I want to try to do is salvage this. At least make myself one. It's like the baker's dozen. You always make 13 so you can try one yourself. How do monsters like their eggs? Terra-fried. Another method people say they use is a spoon. So we're going to crack this egg. Still gently crack it all over. But we want to peel a section here like this and a starting point. And we're going to take a spoon and gently work it around the egg. And because the spoon is shaped at basically the same shape as an egg, and look at that. That absolutely does work. Why did Snow White name her chicken Egg White?
Are you done? Are you done?
Now, another method I'm going to test is using a mason jar with about 1/3 filled with water. Get an exercise too. Okay, guys. I think I went a little too hard and too long. So the eggs are almost done, so we gotta get our ice bath ready so we can stop the cooking process with that ice. So now we have all our eggs peeled and rinsed. It's time to cut them in half. Now, what we want to do is look at the best presentation that we can have for this egg, you know, as if it matters. And so that we can say, well, at least we'll have a nice looking egg that looks pretty good on this side. This egg here is the ugliest. We'll try to do it that way. Now, same way with this one. Once we go through and do this to all these eggs, finding their best profile, grab your spoon, guys, and you can kind of open this up like that and spoon out the egg yolk. Just spread it open like that. Maybe clean out this egg yolk a little bit. You're going to have to rinse these off again. Put these over to the side as well. So guys, we're going to smash all this up with a fork so that it's kind of like sand. And guys, because I got a dozen yolks here, we're going to do 6 tablespoons of mayo, 2 teaspoons of mustard, preferably Dijon, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and salt and pepper. When you get this mixture complete, you can spoon it out into your egg halves. And the last thing you want to do is put a little bit of smoked paprika on top. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Till next time, God bless.